Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing tomato rice, which is a simple South Indian dish made with lots of tomatoes and spices. It can be served without a side dish, and it's even quicker to make if you already have pre-cooked rice. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: heat oil in a wok, then add in the mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, fennel seeds, the Chana dal, the Urad dal, dried chilies, and curry leaves. Saute for a little while. Next, add in the ginger, garlic, and asafoetida. Again, saute for a little while. Add in the chopped onions and toss. Add in the salt and fry until the onions become light brown. Next, add in the chili powder and the turmeric powder. Continue to fry. Add in the chopped tomatoes and fry until the tomatoes become soft. Add in the chopped coriander and the ghee and fry. The more ghee you add, the tastier the dish will turn out, but if you want the healthy option, omit the ghee. Then add in the hot water and continue to fry. Drop in the green chilies to taste and fry until the oil separates out. Add in the tomato ketchup and fry. Drop in the boiled rice that has been prepared earlier and cooled down. Mix very gently. At this point, you can taste and add salt as required and continue to mix. Finally, garnish with chopped green coriander and then mix and cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. As mentioned earlier, it can be served without a side dish, but I prefer it to be served with a vegetable side dish, papad, and fried curd chilies. But you could serve it with any other accompaniment of your choice. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, have fun and don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.